Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to get your MacBook to read text out loud. So the first thing you need since I have an M2 MacBook Air, the shortcut to get my MacBook to read text out loud is holding the button Command and clicking on the Touch ID button, which is the fingerprint button, 3 times quickly, like this.
VoiceOver on Chrome. Have your Mac speak text that's on the screen.
Now, when I select
unselected.
text,
Have your Mac speak text that's on the screen. You can have your highlighted. You can have your Mac speak text on the screen whenever you press a keyboard shortcut.
as you see, it reads.
You can
Now, if I
customize
go
the
to a
quick
menu,
screen record, new movie recording, new audio recording, new options, submenu. Check mark, keep in dock, open at login. Show in Finder.
now if I
Chrome.
open, for example,
Group. YouTube, web group, got group, home, shorts, music, group, live, group, link, gaming, settings, YouTube, web account, choose how you appear and what you see back, description, press to skip
Now, for
navigation
example,
search button,
if I open
VLC media player, playlist, level 1. Media library, my computer, my videos, my videos, MV sidebar movie image, my videos, let user note of application, don't allow, button.
now I will stop
Alert,
it
system dialog. Don't Chrome, YouTube, Google, VoiceOver off.
to turn off this voiceover.
Press Command F5 to turn on VoiceOver.
To turn off this voiceover,
Press Command F5 to turn on VoiceOver.
now to turn off this, how I turn off this voiceover is by clicking on the same shortcut, which is holding the command button and clicking 3 times on the Touch ID button, 3 times quickly. Now let's see how if you want to learn more about this feature, click on this little Apple icon from this corner and select System Settings. Then look for Accessibility, this is it, and click on VoiceOver. And from here you can manually enable this feature or not.
VoiceOver on System Settings. VoiceOver window. VoiceOver
You can turn
off.
it off from here. You can also
Press
open
Command F5 to turn on VoiceOver.
You can also open the VoiceOver tutorial.
Press Command F5 to turn on VoiceOver.
Continue without VoiceOver. And this is the VoiceOver modifier on each page of this tutorial. Okay, select the next item, select the previous item. So this is good to learn about. You can also open VoiceOver utility. I think you can edit the primary voice. You can edit the pitch, the rate, the volume. You can also check the pronunciation, I think. You can also customize the sound, the visual, the comments, the braille, activities, and voiceover recognition. Speed of image in apps. As you see, you can check this option next to image descriptions. Using on-device intelligence, your Mac will automatically improve the accessibility of images. Voice-over recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances, etc. And this is how to get your MacBook to read text out loud. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.